Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to demonstrate what happens when you have a missing route in a Phoenix application and the kind of error message you see and how to fix it. So to save time, I just created a new sample application, and pay attention to this no ecto flag. What this means is the application does not have the config files necessary to connect to and talk to a database. So all of the dependencies have been installed. So let's just change directory to sample app and let us see what we have here. Oops, sorry, ls minus ltr. Okay, so now I'm just going to run the application mix vhx dot server, and it runs on the standard 4000 port. So I'm going to go back to my browser, open a new browser here, browser tab, and then navigate to localhost, and we see the standard Phoenix application show up here with now watch what happens when I try to use a route that does not exist. Call it foo, and then it says, hey, I did not find any route, and then in the terminal you're going to see this no route found error. So the fix for this is relatively simple. We need to have a catch-all route and a controller that shows the corresponding template. So let's just take a quick look at it. I am going to look at my existing code and then just copy over the missing pieces. So I'm opening the new sample application that we just created and go to folder, I'll call it sample app, open. Right, so we are here, and the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the router file and add this entry at the end and make sure that app name is correct when you copy paste code, so we don't end up using an incorrect route. Right, so we set up a new catch-all router. The next thing to do is to actually go ahead and create a new controller, new file. You can call it what you want. I usually call it catch-all. If you have a better name, go for it. And we need a controller file. We need another file for the view itself, catch-all html.ex, and of course we need the actual view templates as well, which would be inside a folder called catch-all underscore html. And I'm just going to copy the code again from my working application. So I'm going to go into catch-all, copy this code, come to catch-all controller, paste it, and remember our application is called sample app. So we make that change here. Also take care to ensure that the use clause is also pointing to the correct app. And now this function has this controller has a home function, which is going to render a file called index. And one small thing I would need to make is, I don't need to. Basically, this line layout says what kind of layout should be used for this template. Currently, we're not interested in using one, but if you have a customized layout, you could pass it here. Right, so we got that. Next thing is the actual view file. Where is this? Checkout, not checkout session, catch-all. Catch-all HTML, and I'm just going to come here and paste it. Again, be careful to make sure that the name is matching your application name. Call this sample app. Right, And then it says, this particular module says all the templates for this controller live inside the catch-all HTML folder. And what did we name it as? We called it index. So we are going to go to the folder and then just copy this code, come back here, catch-all HTML, add a new file, and then we call it index.html.x, and then we paste it. Right, now let us restart the application and see what happens. We are on the home page. Now I'm going to try to access a road that does not exist. Okay, so this empty image section is because I forgot to copy the SVG image that is used for this. You can fix that by just copying that image and change the verbiage to match what you want to say. Maybe even add a button or a link to go back to the home page. I hope that was useful. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments. If you find that I'm speaking too fast or too slow, let me know. Thank you.